Hello everyone, this is a 2007 Nissan Murano S. It is an all-wheel drive SUV that has been maintained and serviced and is really in amazing condition. I just wanted to give you a walk around. Let me just show you the trunk. The original Nissan that in the back is here. And it has the cover trunk space. This Murano is very, very spacious, has been driven for 135,000 miles. As you can see, Michelin tires all around, alloy wheels, free of any major scuffs or anything of the sort. And as you can see inside, the carpet and the cloth overall is in really exceptional condition for the year. And there's a ceiling. Fabric is really, really nice. You have a mark here in the door, but it's nothing too significant. It does have a clean Carfax, so never been any accidents. And this is the driver. This is the passenger seat. Again, the cloth is free of any rips or tears or anything that you would expect. And you have a lot of space here in the center console. You can open this up too for storage. And again, it is all-wheel drive, so will serve you very, very well for many, many years. Michelin tires all around. Have a few minor chips in the front, but overall, this Murano is really, really excellent. And it does have roof rack. And when it comes to the driver's side, one of the nicest things is that it has powered features, and so you can bring it forward and backwards, and bring the back frontwards or backwards. And you also have the back feature. One additional thing is that you have the powered option to bring the gas pedal and the brake pedal forwards and backwards right here, and so it's very, very convenient. All right, so let's go ahead and start it. Now it does have an automated starter, so let's do that without even turning on the car manually. Oh, sorry, I was pressing on the wrong one. There we go. Automatically starts. Beautiful. So it does have two starters and two manual keys. So, all right. And put it on drive. So, as you can see, dash, no idiot lights on, and let's turn the stereo on. Just go back, and let's turn on the radio.
Pick up your trusted favorites in cosmetics, skincare, and hair care and explore new, premium, and exclusive beauty products you'll love too. If you have any questions, just ask one.
Alright, now let's start driving. Again, we just serviced the entire car, and one of the things we did was the brakes, and so just driving. Let's brake. Brakes are like new. Again, it's a V6, so it's very powerful to all-wheel drive. It will treat you very, very well in the winter and any season. And so if you are interested in this 2007 Nissan Murano S, 135,000 miles, clean Carfax, serviced, please do call us at your earliest convenience at 617-538-2099. Again, that's 617-538-2099. Thanks for watching and have a great day.